Hello, Captain Sawback here. No, only joking. I do have a sawback. Quick health update. 4 weeks post-surgery. Going okay. Still can't lift, bend or twist. But we're only, a third of the way through recovery. So still can't do much, but today we're going to start up this old machine. Hasn't been started for 2 to 3 months, so let's see how we go. It's cold. Going to be no fuel in the line. I'm going to say 22 pumps of the pedal before she fires up. Before he fires up. Let's go. As you can see by the haze of dust that's sitting on the top of this, it hasn't been started for a very long time. So it'll be interesting to see how easy it's going to be. Shouldn't be too hard though. Very reliable, this whole thing. Unfortunately, I just don't get to drive it as much as I used to. But hey, that's what happens, eh? When you're in the car game. Okay, we're inside and we're going to start with 5 pumps. That's 4 more. Now, this starter is on the not so good side, so we don't want to burn it out, so I'll turn it over for a bit and then we'll pump some more and we'll go and see how that goes. So see, this car burns through the starters like you wouldn't believe. We'll be getting close to 20 now, wouldn't we? There we go, bingo, eh? How funny would it be if it's 22, eh? That would be hilarious. The starter motor on these 318s, it's right next to my extractors, so it gets really hot, so it burns them out pretty quickly. So I don't like to pump the pedal and turn it over at the same time because it just doesn't like it. Not warm, so we need to let it warm up a little bit before we get some idle. But the best starter I ever had for this car, I think I got it 20 bucks off eBay. It was just an old rusty piece of thing and it lasted years and years. So I used to daily drive this car for 5 years. And that was the best starter I ever had on it, and then that one died, so I've got a pieced together starter here, 2 bits, 2 starters, mixed and matched, got one working out of the two, and that's what's in it now. So after this, I don't have any starters, and the prices of these things are like crazy now. For a 10-tooth starter for one of these, crazy money. It's like you can give 1 Bitcoin for one of these starters. So we'll wrap this video up here, and hopefully we'll be back on work on the VK before we know it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. That would help me out a lot. Thank you. Ciao.